Hello, Holy One. Hello, hello. Welcome to this space. Welcome to this space. What is this space? This is different than where I usually film. So many of you know that last week I was in Los Angeles at the Conscious Life Expo. And this weekend I'm on the East Coast. Well, I'm still kind of in Central Florida. I'm in Orlando today, but I am headed to Palm Beach this afternoon. So there's a lot of spaces opening up, a lot of movement, a lot of new coming in. And there is this incredible understanding of the foundation we have built that is so strong and so anchored. It is what is supporting the new. Are you with me? So you have this space of you. I have this space of me. And it is this understanding of all the teachings, all of the aha moments, all of the learning, all of the activations, all of the times where we chose to lean in and we chose to listen with our hearts and we chose to allow our higher flow. We chose to leave the loop. We chose to dissolve the cycles. We chose to unplug the program. And all of those spaces of choice, of action, of consistency solidified into a foundation of the new us. Yes, right? It's so beautiful. And now the reflection is flooding in more and more ways of this new vibration that we have chosen again and again and again by our actions, by our thoughts, by our feelings, by our words, and the reflection is coming in greater and greater and greater. I'm quite happy with the reflection. Are you? And no matter what your answer is on that, it's okay, because the reflection is in your hands. The reflection is in my hands. Whatever we're seeing is a direct alignment of whatever we're being. And that means we have the opportunity, we have the responsibility, we have the control factor to shift it at any moment, to open it up more, to change lanes, to switch gears, whatever the words are that you'd like to use. But we hold the power. We hold the power. So keep that in mind as you are viewing your reflection, as you are allowing your flow, and as you are being you. So LA Conscious Life Expo in Los Angeles, it was fantastic. I did a video just before this one. You can go check it out. I'm sitting in my car, and I think Earthquakes is in the title. So that was the first video to fill people in on what went on in Los Angeles. I am talking a little softly because I am in a hotel and I don't want to wake anybody up who might still be asleep. It is a little early yet. But Los Angeles was fantastic, and the people, the venue, the workshop on Friday, the lecture on Saturday that I did, absolutely time of my life. I actually sang that song, the chorus of that song, to my husband as we fell asleep in LA. He said, "Did you have fun today?" And I said, "I had the time of my life." So things are just opening up more and more, and we have more coming, more new spaces where if you're in the area, you may be able to come and meet me. You may be able to participate and attend one of the workshops, one of the live spaces. So we have a lot coming into the calendar. I look forward to sharing it with you. What do we do in these spaces? We open up the higher flow. We connect into higher dimensional, energetic spaces of ourselves. It's real. We are documenting it. We are witnessing it. We are facilitating it, and we are being it. It's real. This is ascension, and this is what we're here to do. So I'll be sharing some more very soon, but remember, the reflection is in your hands. Remember how beautiful and powerful you are. Stay in your heart. Come out of the head and stay in your heart. Listen with your heart. Align the mind with the heart. Allow your feelings to be aligned with your heart. And the heart knows at its core, at its essence, it knows that it is eternal. Yes, and it's having a now. And that's the peace that passes all understanding and keeps the heart and the mind in that alignment of sacred flow. So I lay this at your feet, Holy One. I'll check in again soon. I love you, I love you, I love you.